Welcome to Listadum. If you're watching this video, then you're either curious what Listadum is or you've just signed up and you want to know how to get started with Listadum. So what is Listadum? Listadum, in short, is all the tools and insights you need to grow your Etsy shop. At its core, Listadum is a listing manager which allows you to do everything that you can do on Etsy, but it is supercharged with additional tools that helps you manage, monitor, and promote your Etsy shop. You can not only edit your listings in Listadum and publish directly to Etsy, but you also have access to the Keyword Explorer where it gives you right tags and titles and all the tools that you need to make your listings right from the beginning. The keyword research tool is backed up from data from Etsy directly, so you know which keyword is saturated, which keyword is trending, and which keyword is going to bring you more views than others. Apart from that, we have market research tools like Shop Explorer and Keyword Explorer, which helps you find out trending niches and trending shops and really help you pick the right product to launch for your Etsy shop. And that is not it. We observed that a lot of Etsy sellers have a bottleneck of editing their past listings or publishing listings fast enough. So we created tools that help you bulk edit all the listings, update titles, pricing, and attach variation profiles to your listing so you actually spend less time on admin work and more time on creating. With tools like bulk edits, templates, variation profiles, snippets, you can have consistent information across all your listings, update your listings in no time, and actually schedule listings to publish every day so Etsy knows that you are an active store. And apart from that, we also have a promote module which helps you actually promote your listings on Pinterest. We have a Pinterest module where you can either manually pin all your listings or schedule for auto pin, which publishes one listing every day directly on Pinterest using your share and save link. Once you connect your shop with Listadum, you get insights based on the Etsy seller handbook on how good your listings are, what you need to fix, what tags you need to change, and everything you need to really grow your Etsy shop to the next level. So yes, Listadum is the only tool you need for growing your Etsy shop. But now we will dive into all the features when you sign up and go from there. So let's get started.